What's up, Curls Crew? It's your girl K Curls coming at you with another natural hairstyle video. Well, today I'm going to show you guys my go-to hairstyle for when I go on vacation or when I go on the beach. It is just a very, very simple basic 2-strand twist that I put on each side of my hair, and then I just pin those up. And the reason why this is my go-to is because when I'm walking around and it's extremely hot, I don't want all of my hair in my face. And when I'm getting, when I'm at the beach and I'm getting into the water, I don't want to have sand all throughout my hair. So this is just a good way to keep my hair up, out of my face, keep myself nice and cool, because I don't like to be hot, y'all. And at the end of the night, when you are ready to go out to dinner, you want to put on something a little more sexy, then you can just untwist it, and it basically looks like a very nice twisted wash and go. So if you guys would like to see it, please stay tuned.
Okay guys, so first we are going to start with separating our hair into 2 sections because we will have a twist on each side. Okay guys, so next I'm just going to take some water and start spraying that around, I got a little bit in my eye, around my edges so that I can have a little bit of something to grip onto. And then you're just going to take a very small section in the front and you're going to separate that into 2 pieces. I'm moving a little bit so you can see it. And you're going to twist one strand over the other strand. So you can see here. I'm going to take one strand and twist it over the other one. And I'm just grabbing hair from the bottom of where I twist and adding it into the hair at the top. And then as I go along, I'm just grabbing more pieces of the hair that is left out so that I can twist it in. And again, just twist that over. Gently separate that if you do fall into a situation where it's a little knotted. And then just continue that same step all the way down until you get to the end. Okay guys, so when you are finished twisting all the way down, you just want to make sure that you grab a clip so that you clip that out of the way so that you can proceed to the other side. And then we are going to spray some water over again just so that we can have a little bit of something to grip onto around the edges. Okay, and just like the other side, we are going to take a very small section in the front. We are going to separate that into 2 strands, and then you are just going to twist that over, grab some hair from under, twist that back over, grab that hair from under, twist it back over, grab the hair from under. Sorry, I know I just got carried away, but listen, if you have something catchy to have stuck in your head, it will not go away, okay? All the way down to the end, just like the other side. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just going to unclip the other section, and I'm just going to take a hairpin and I'm going to pin that section in between the twist that we have up there. I'm going to tuck that hair in first, and then I'm just going to take my hairpin and secure it. And then we will just do the exact same thing on this side. So just tuck that in, take your hairpin and secure it. And then you are done. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did, please remember to subscribe. Bye. See you next time.